By the time you watch this part of the video, we've already made yet another $27. Yeah, as weird as it may sound, it's true. Not only that, we've made $16,305.34 this month so far. Looks good, huh? And no, we didn't create any product or sell anything. In fact, all we did was give out our opinions. I know, it keeps getting crazier. But it's all possible by using a system that leverages a hidden loophole in a $1.3 trillion business. That system allows us to make an average of $27 every time we voice out our opinions. Meaning, we only need to work a few minutes per day to make a decent living like this. And before you jump to any conclusions, no, this doesn't require any previous experience. And no, it doesn't require any upfront investment. And in the next 60 seconds, I'm going to show you how we do it. One day I found a post online saying that this website will pay me to give my opinion about a product. Sounded like a scam. But out of desperation, I decided to give it a go. After all, it was free and I had nothing to lose. To my surprise, I got an instant payment to my account. Wow. At this moment, I knew I was onto something. I couldn't stop. For the next week, I couldn't sleep. I worked 24/7. And every time I finished, I would get rewards and payments. My dopamine levels went through the roof. I was working like a machine, but I wanted more. I wondered if there was any other platforms that pays for our opinions. Fast forward 13 months, we finally had a working app. After 13 months of no sleep, caffeine overdose, 14+ hours staring at my screen, it was a lot of work, but I'm glad I did it. Because what I'm about to show you changed my life forever. And I'm very proud to tell you that it's something you have never seen before. Hey, it's Johan here, and I'm happy to introduce you to Opinion Bank, the world's first system that pays me to give my opinions. I know it sounds strange, but just look at the payments I get on a daily basis. Payments quickly add up to $1,000 each week. And here's the best part, you don't have to do anything special. You don't need any previous experience. Exciting, huh? It's all possible by leveraging a $1.3 trillion loophole. If you think this works only for me, you're wrong. It works for anyone. Oh, did I mention that you use it from anywhere in the world? It works on your laptop or mobile. All you need is just an internet connection and you're good to go. Are you ready to join over 300+ profitable members? It's very easy once you have the system. We left no stone unturned. Everything you need to start getting a plethora of $27 payments are included in our system. Nothing else is required. Oh, and I almost forgot. You're protected by our 30-day money-back guarantee. So if for any reason you didn't like Opinion Bank, just send us a message and we will refund every single penny you paid. What are you waiting for? Click the button below and secure your copy of Opinion Bank at a low one-time fee. I'll see you on the inside.